Okay, let's see the 10th question. What challenges have you faced in server monitoring and how did you resolve them? The answer is first challenge, high false positive alerts resolution. Tuned alert thresholds and implemented adaptive alerting using tools like Prometheus. So basically you will get some false positive alarms. So when you are checking that alarms, there is no issue found. So these are called false positive alerts. So we have to tune alert threshold. Okay. And challenge second, monitoring scalability in a growing environment. Visualization. Migrate to a cloud-based monitoring solution, example data alert, for better scalability and performance. Monitoring scalability in a growing environment. So the resolution is migrate to a cloud-based monitoring solution. So for if you migrate that particular tool to the cloud-based monitoring means the scalability and performance will be good. It looks better. So this one we can implement. Third challenge, lack of visibility into specific metrics. So which means in particular metrics there is a lot of visibility will be there. So the solution will be integrated custom plugins or scripts to monitor additional parameters. Integrated custom plugins or scripts to monitor additional parameters. To monitor the additional parameters, we can integrate the custom plugins or scripts. So the lack of visibility in specific monitoring will be the difficulty will be solved. So these 3 points mostly all server monitoring engineers face. So these are the points. What will be the 11th one? How would you design a monitoring strategy for a cloud-based environment? Answer: use cloud-native tools like Azure Monitor, AWS CloudWatch, GCP Operations Suite for resource-specific insights. How would you design a monitoring strategy for a cloud-based environment? The first point, use cloud-native tools, Azure Monitoring, AWS CloudWatch, GCP Operations Suite for resource-specific insights. Deploy agents for real-time data collection. You can deploy some agents for real-time data collection. Set up distributed tracing for application performance monitoring. Set up distributed tracing for application performance monitoring. Define SLAs or SLIs or SLOs to align monitoring objectives with business goals. So SLA is service level agreement. So these and all we can monitor for designing. Use automation for scaling and self-healing capabilities. So mostly these 5 points I can explain in an interview. The question is, how would you design a monitoring strategy for a cloud-based environment? The environment which is based on a cloud-based means these 5 points are very important. So cloud native tools, you can use Azure Monitor or AWS CloudWatch or GCP Operations Suite for resource specific insights. Deploy agents for real-time data collection and set up distributed tracing for application performance monitoring. And define SLAs or SLIs or SLOs to align monitoring objectives with business goals. Use automation for scaling and self-healing capabilities. So these are the main points you can explain in the interview. So the basic monitoring tool is Nagios. So it's been more than 20 years we have a Nagios tool. So many two part of the Nagios tools are available now, like Nagios Core mostly. So you can see first of scripting, thing comes under 9 years.